What's up, you guys? I am here to show you guys exactly how easy it really is to put on this drawstring ponytail. So usually what I do is I go ahead and wet it. Sometimes I put conditioner on it if I want it to be tamed, but today I kind of want it to be a little bit fluffy. So the first thing I do is wet it off of my head. You brush it and you always start from the end, from the bottom to the top. All right, do a simple brush over this hair. I like to brush thoroughly. I take my time and I go through the entire thing because the more you maintain it, the better it lasts you. Just thoroughly comb through it or thoroughly brush through it. Like, take the time to do that. And it's not hard, it's very easy to brush through. Especially if you're using products, and as you can see, I'm not using any products, and I had a really easy job. So I've already slicked down my ponytail. So now I'm just gonna take my drawstring ponytail. So I take it, put it on, pull the drawstring, I wrap it right around my ponytail, tie it underneath, and voila. I didn't mean to hit myself in the face, but we're all done. Boom.